Hey, hello guys. In the last video, I explained one of our most popular bathroom product models, the Lucy Series 601. In this video, I want to introduce another great product just like the 601 called the 707 series. The 707 series uses 304 stainless steel. First, it also comes with our touch controllable LED panel, which can control the temperature and humidity between 30 and 90 degrees. Additionally, you can freely choose our time service, for example, from 0 to 9 hours, switching to the function you need based on your usage requirements. Also, its material is smoother and the surface looks more aesthetic and attractive. Moreover, there are more options and the color choices are a bit more varied, so it won't be like the 601 with only 3 colors. Also, since our electric towel racks are all wall mounted, they save more floor space in the bathroom. It's not like a clothes dryer, right? Those take up a lot of space and run continuously 24 hours a day, right? That might lead to high electricity consumption and costs, right? But if you use our electric towel rack, it has a timer, right? You turn it on when needed and off when not. This way, it can save you a lot on electricity costs. Suppose I'm going to take a shower and my shower time is 1 hour, right? I'll set it for 1 hour. For instance, while I shower, I want to dry my towel, so I'll set the temperature between 40 and 60 degrees. Then after my shower, won't I have a very warm, clean and comfortable towel? If I want to dry children's or adults' undergarments, I'd choose a higher temperature and a longer time, right? This makes it more convenient to use. In terms of what we call value for money, it's quite suitable. Furthermore, we also support OEM and ODM customization. For example, if you'd like to cooperate with us, you can contact us on WhatsApp. Or you can visit our YouTube homepage or contact us via email. We are a bathroom fixture manufacturer located in Wenzhou, China, with over 25 years of manufacturing experience. So, if you want to cooperate with us, please rest assured. We will provide you with the most sincere response, the most sincere products, the best craftsmanship, and the most dedicated service. Those interested can contact us and we will send you samples and a quote. Well, that's all for this episode. Thank you and thanks for watching.